Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to solve the Perplexus. Without anything else to say, let's get started. If you look at the title of the video, you can see that I'm not going to show you how to solve it because there is no solution. You just have to follow the path and then you'll eventually get to the end. I will actually be telling you guys how to get past some of those difficult parts that might make you feel stuck and then might make you want to quit. These parts include the rolling trails, elevation changes, one side of the track having no rails, and it could also be some confusing bits that some first-time users may not understand. Let's start with rolling rails. If you're doing the Perplexus for the first time, you may find this a little complicated or annoying because finding the correct angle is a bit hard. To do this, simply start by shifting the whole ball to the right slowly until it starts moving, and then slowly you can move the ball to the left and finish the curve like that. You can also apply the same principles to different curves like curve 76. Move the ball down slowly and then continue from there through the different rails. Next are elevation changes. Things like drops and jumps that go down. There are only a few on the original Perplexus, but it's still important to talk about because some people may get stuck on it. To do jumps like these, make the platform that your ball is on straight so that it doesn't really move. By this I mean the ball. Then start tilting it. It should have some speed. Then send it down. If it doesn't make it, you're most likely going slowly. Just retry, but make your ball go a little bit faster. Next, we can move onto tracks with only one rail. One side has a missing rail. These aren't really hard to do, but they are when you have somewhat of a zigzag pattern. To do these, just roll your ball to the side, which has the railing. If your track is something like this, where you have to move side to side and there's a missing rail on it, then just carefully move your ball through. Hug your ball to the edge with the rail and start tilting your ball slowly so it can move through. Moving it slowly will help make the ball go past through. Now, let's move on to confusing bits that you might have while you're solving the Perplexus. The main confusing parts you might have is under number 65. After rolling your ball, you're going to have to go through a hole. Then you're probably wondering what you have to do. All you really have to do is just roll the ball out until the ball goes to the other side of the rolling mechanism. And then you can continue on with the puzzle like that. Now, I have talked about all the confusing, puzzling things that you may face while trying to solve the Perplexus. If you guys like the content that I make here on this channel, then please consider subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications. Also, don't forget to comment down below on your thoughts about this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!